Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you block someone on Snapchat. Now before you go ahead and block someone, you should know a couple of things. Is that if you block someone, that means you will not be able to send them any snaps. They won't be able to send you any snaps or chats either. But the difference between unfriend and block is that when you unfriend someone and you just re-add them, you can just be back being friends with them. But the block does not work that way. If you block someone, you will have to unblock them, and then you will have to re-add them, and then they will have to re-add you, and then only can you guys continue snapping each other. So with that aside, let me show you how it's done. So you swipe to the friend side. Let's select a contact. So you press on their bitmoji, you press on the top three dots on the top right, you press on that, you press manage friendship, and then you can just press block. Another way to do this would be just going back and long holding the contact, pressing their name, and then back here, back to the same kind of options, and you can just block them from here and press block. And in case you change your mind and you want to unblock them, on the top left you see the bitmoji, you press that, and then you go to settings, which are seen on the top right. You press that, scroll all the way to the bottom, and now you go to the blocked list, and now here's the block list of person you blocked, and you can just unblock them. So that's pretty much it from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.